Let's look at a producer-side API example for step 1. First, set up the producer configuration. In this case, we'll define the property props to be an instance of new properties. We'll then set props.put to be equivalent to metadata.broker.list, with the location being localhost 9092. This will connect us to the appropriate location. The method of serialization is specified with the props.put specifying the serializer.class along with the Kafka serializer.string encoder to perform the operation. And then we create the config file with the producer config specifying the config file to be an instance of new producer config props. In step 2 of the producer-side API, we are going to get a handle to the producer connection that we just created. So we create the statement producer, string, producer, equals a new instance of producer, string, with the config we just created being passed. In step 3, we'll be creating the messages as key and value pairs. So in this case, we'll define a string called key1 to equal first, semicolon, and then the message to be passed would be this is the first message. String key2 will have second, along with the message of this is a second message. This produces our desired key value pair. In the API example for step 4, we will submit the message to a particular topic. As a string, we'll define topic to equal the string test, and then keyed message string data will get an instance of new keyed message string, topic key1 and message1. This will pass the first string key value pair that we just created. We will then call the producer by saying producer.send and the data string, which in this case contains key1, message1. We will do the same for the new keyed message string for key2, message2, and then send that as a data to producer.send. Once we've sent the key value pairs, we now simply close the connection that we created in the first step by calling the method close in producer.close.